Sat.
A thousand heads have Purusha, a thousand eyes, 1,000 feet. On every side, pervading earth, he fills a space 10 fingers wide. This Purusha is all that yet had been, and all that is to be, the Lord of immortality, which waxes greater still by food. So mighty is his greatness, yeah, greater than this is Purusha. All 3/4 are 1/4 of him, 3/4 eternal life in heaven. With 3/4 Purusha went up, 1/4 of him again was here. Thence he strode out to every side over, what eats not and what eats. From his Virat was born. Again Purusha from Virat was born. As soon as he was born, he spread eastward and westward over the earth. prepared the sacrifice with Purusha as their offering. Its oil was spring, the holy gift was autumn, summer was the wood. They bombed as victim on the grass, Purusha born in earliest times, with him the deities and all sadhyas and rishis sacrifice. From that great general sacrifice, the dripping fat was gathered up. He formed the creatures of the air and animals, both wild and tame. From that great general sacrifice, Lev and Sama hymns were born. Therefrom were spells and charms produced. The Yajus had its birth from it. From it were horses born, from it all cattle, with 2 rows of teeth. From it were generated kine, from it the goats, and sheep were born. When they divided Purusha, how many portions did they make? What do they call his mouth, his arms? What do they call his thighs and feet? The Brahman was his mouth, of both his arms was the Rajanya made. His thighs became the Vaishya, from his feet the Sudra was produced.
Samavardata Padvyambo
The moon was gendered from his mind, and from his eye the sun had birth. Indra and Agni from his mouth were born, and Vayu from his breath. Forth from his navel came mid-ear, the sky was fashioned from his head, earth from his feet, and from his ear the regions. Thus they formed the worlds. Seven fencing sticks had he. Thrice 7 layers of fuel were prepared. When the gods offering sacrifice, bound as their victim Purusha. Gods sacrificed the victim. These were the earliest holy ordinances. The mighty ones attained the height of heaven. There were the Siddhas, gods of old, are dwelling.
Purusuktam Shanti